The Centre Pompidou, located in the heart of Paris, is a modern art museum that stands out for its striking architectural design and vast collection of contemporary art. It was designed by the architects Renzo Piano and Richard Rogers, and completed in 1977. It was named after Georges Pompidou, the president of France at the time, who had the idea of creating a cultural center that would be dedicated to contemporary art. The building itself is a work of art, featuring a unique and futuristic design that is sure to catch the eye of anyone visiting. Visitors can take in the stunning views of Paris from the museum's rooftop terrace, where they can also enjoy a meal or a drink at the café. The museum boasts an impressive collection of over 100,000 works, spanning from the early 20th century to the present day. Visitors can explore the works of some of the most important artists of the past century, including Salvador Dali, Pablo Picasso, and Jackson Pollock. The museum's Mediatheque, a multimedia library, offers a wide range of resources for researchers and art enthusiasts. The museum also offers guided tours, lectures, and workshops, making it the perfect destination for families and school groups. Overall, the Centre Pompidou is a must-see destination for anyone interested in contemporary art and culture. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Book your experience on www.tadatours.com.